Coral reefs are the richest, most diverse habitats on Earth. A quarter of all marine life lives in and around them. They are nurseries for fish, natural barriers against storms, and a source of food and income for more than 1 billion people. Healthy reefs sing with the sound of life, thousands of creatures snapping, clicking, feeding. A web of biodiversity as old as time. But no reef, no fish. When the reefs went quiet, nets came up empty. Fishing grounds that had fed families for generations fell silent. Once teeming coral reefs were reduced to rubble. Coral reefs have survived for 500 million years, and yet they may not survive us. Kenya's first community-managed marine sanctuary was pioneered at Kuruwitu. Oceans Alive has amplified this and forged this spirit of active stewardship of the sea. Local fishers protected their reef, let it breathe. Fish biomass quadrupled, and corals started to come back. The sun, waves and currents feed the coral, like plants on land. It's like being a part of the pulse of something vast and alive. It started with one reef, one community in Kenya, which said, "This is ours to protect and restore." In Africa, it's called Ubuntu, living and working together for the common good. Whatever it's called in your part of the world, the truth is the same. We thrive together.
And this is where LEAP volunteers step in, not as tourists, but as part of the team. Help with coral restoration to improve fish stocks for future generations. Build energy-efficient stoves to help the community preserve firewood. Work with local families to improve their food security. And here's the thing, when you work alongside a community, doors open. You are welcome to Sunday church service. You could be invited home to share a traditional meal. You take on the village football team on a dusty pitch. You're not on the sidelines, but in the middle of it all. There's still time for plenty of snorkeling, and you could even learn to dive. Sail through the mangroves at sunset, watch lions play at dawn, see elephants in ancient coastal forests. Moments where the wild reminds us what we are protecting. But it's not just a holiday. You'll work hard, you'll laugh, and you'll make a difference. This is challenge. This is contribution. This is the LEAP, a mission with global importance. And we'd love you to be part of the team.